Trevor, you want to tell them what we're working on here?
So I am currently getting set up to start doing a line lock kit. Customer started to do the kit himself, ran into issues where unfortunately when taking the factory brake lines off, they stripped out all the way at the wheel well as well as at the ABS pump. So I'm actually waiting for a new ABS pump from Ford, which should be here tomorrow. And in the meantime, I'm going to get all the lines, all the soft lines, and at least get the line lock solenoids. I managed to drop steering rack, replace the right front brake line, replace ABS module, replace left front brake line, as well as finalize the installation of the line locks. Right now, I just undid the customer's wiring that was running into the cab. And now I'm adding my own harness to it for the line locks, and then I'm gonna loom everything, feed it all into the cab, throw an antifuse in there for our line locks, get the line locks wired, do a final bleed on the brakes, and start testing everything, make sure we're all happy and ready to go. All right, final walkthrough of the F-150, a supercharged F-150, excuse me. Last you guys saw, I had all of the wiring kind of just strewn across the whole engine bay, rewiring the customer's existing toggle switch assembly and then adding our own set of wiring to it. So here's our nice clean final loom that I made. Went with Tessa tape style loom rather than the plastic loom. It hides better, it looks more stock, more factory. Comes across the firewall, down on over the top of the brake booster, and then up through the firewall grommet where he had already ran the wires previously, up along the column, and then inside the car here he had a three toggle switch panel just kind of loosely setting across. I'm not sure what his end plan is with it, but he had already wired in the blue switch. I have added all the line lock controls to the red switch. In the process, I just re-terminated everything, so it's all nice and clean and matching now. Putting it back where the customer had it. Not sure, like I said, what his end game is with that panel, but it all works and it is usable. So, line lock is set, running, working as TBM designed. Bedded his brakes in. Obviously made sure his line lock activated as designed. There it is. We're hoping that he'll pick it up this afternoon as we are closed tomorrow to go to the track. First time of the season, so we'll see how it all goes.